Hey guys, welcome to Diopti. Today we are going to talk about breadcrumbs navigation for website. It's a help the user and search engine navigate your website in SEO. So let's go for detail. So today's agenda is number one, introduction to breadcrumbs. Second, live demo. I'll show you live demo and how breadcrumbs actually look like. And third, it's a type. And fourth, advantages. And last, how to implement breadcrumbs in your site. So let's go with the introduction. Breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs are the website link that allow user to track where they are on the website and how far they are from the home page. This can be found at the top of the website or just below the navigation bar, like internal link. They help keep users on the website and help them find the information they are looking for. You can see this image. It's a show which categories I clicked on the land on the page I am viewing. Breadcrumbs make it easy to go back to the previous page if needed to, and breadcrumbs help user navigate the website and they help Google categorize and navigate your website. It's a very important because now they are directly affect SEO. And now I am showing you live demo. Look here, uh, how breadcrumbs actually look like. Second demo, I have visited a website of Economics Time. Now you can see here breadcrumbs. So next agenda, it's a type. There are common three types: hierarchy-based breadcrumbs or location-based, attribute-based breadcrumbs, and last history-based breadcrumbs or path-based. So let's explain hierarchy-based breadcrumbs or location-based. The most common type of breadcrumbs that tell user where they are in the site structure and how to get back to homepage. Next, attribute-based breadcrumbs. This is commonly used on e-commerce site to show what attribute the user has clicked. Next, and last, history-based breadcrumbs or path-based. Show user what other pages on the site they have visited similar to a browser history. Let me show you the effect of breadcrumbs SEO. So move the next agenda. Advantages. Number one, encourage browsing and reduce bounce rate. If a user reaches a product page they are not interested in, they will either be bounced or go back to the category page to start over. Breadcrumbs encourage the user to resume and not bounce. Next, improve findability. By helping user navigate easily and find what they are looking for, breadcrumbs help improve a website searchability. Next, SEO benefit. Google has announced that they are replacing URLs in their search result with sitemap and breadcrumbs navigation path. This is happening for mobile devices right now, and in the coming days, it may be rolled out from desktop as well. Will show user exactly where they will be taken to click on the search result. So next, remove user annoyance. Suppose that if you go to a site and search for a particular page's content, if you do not find that pages, you will leave this website in anger and go to another website. If I tell using breadcrumbs navigation, that page is here. Next, implementation. There are several ways of adding breadcrumbs to your site. Firstly, if you use WordPress, you can use one of the many plugins such as Yoast SEO. If you use different CMS, the process will be different. It's also possible to add them to your code by hand. You can read this article. The Diopti website link is in the description. So